what's up guys, it's me Abrita and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Friends, in my previous video I have reviewed some of the affordable skincare products which I use on a regular basis. You can get that video from my description box because I will be giving you the link of that video in my description box below. Make sure that you check out the description box before you leave. So in my today's video, I'll be giving you again some honest reviews on some of the products which I use on a regular basis. Make sure that you watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm gonna start my today's video with some affordable skin toners which I bought from local market and also some of from Purple. So here is my first toner. This is from Alps Goodness Green Tea Toner. I purchased it a few days ago and I am using this toner for last 7 or 8 days. I already have fallen in love with this product because this green tea toner helps to unclog my skin pores. It reduces all the excess oil and dirt from my skin, and it also helps to tighten my skin. The price of this toner is super affordable. The price is only 125 rupees. I think this is one of the most affordable skincare products that are available in market. If you have oily skin, then you can definitely go with this product because this is best toner for oily skin people. So a big thumbs up. The second product is Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner. I am using this toner since a few days, and this is a very good toner for the people with oily skin. So basically it claims that it hydrates skin and also it tightens the pore, leaving skin fresh and radiant. Yes, that's absolutely right because it helps to hydrate my skin, it helps to brighten my skin complexion and also unclog the skin pores. So again, a big thumbs up for this product, and the price of this product is only 175 rupees. I think this is also one of the most affordable skin toner available in market. So here comes another product. This is from Jovis. This is Jovis Rose Skin Toner. I purchased this toner from a local store and I am not satisfied with this product because I have oily skin and it doesn't go with me well. So this is a no for me. But if you have dry skin or normal skin, then you can definitely go with this product, or you can try this product for once. Hope that it will go with you, but not so good for me. I have got a lot of face masks. This is from Nykaa Clay It Cool Sebum Control Clay Mask. So basically this clay mask helps to reduce excess oil and it helps to reduce the cause of acne on your skin, and it also helps to purify your skin. It gives your skin a very cool kind of sensation. If you have oily skin, then I would highly recommend you to use this product. I purchased this product from Nykaa. The price is a bit high. The price of this product is 599 rupees, and I'm showing you the texture of the face mask. Here is the face mask. I have already used this face mask for 3 to 4 times and I have fallen in love with this product. So basically this is a clay mask and it helps to reduce excess oil from your skin. I think this one is best for oily skin people. Big thumbs up for this product. So now here is another face pack from Herbal Khadi Gold. This one is Sandal and Rose face pack. I'm showing you the face pack. This is the face pack that looks like. So basically this face pack has a very thick consistency. You have to mix normal water or rose water to make a thick paste before applying it on your face. So this face pack helps to polish your skin. It gives your skin a very soft glow, and it also helps to reduce the problems of acne on your skin. I purchased this face pack from Nykaa and the price of this product is only 125 rupees. Again, this one is the most affordable face pack that's available in market. If you have oily skin, then you can definitely go with this product. So here is another face pack from Everyouth Naturals. This is Rejuvenating Cucumber and Aloe face pack from Everyouth. This face pack helps to cleanses our skin pores and it has vitamin C and vitamin E which helps to nourish our skin, and we all know that aloe vera helps to moisturize our skin and cucumber helps to give our skin a very refreshed kind of feeling. So this product is best for oily skin people. If you have oily skin, then you can definitely go with this product, and the price of this product is only 60 rupees. I think this is the super affordable face pack that available in market. Here is my last face mask. This one is from Nykaa Go for Glow Insta Glow Peel Off Face Mask. I used this face mask for only 2 to 3 times and I didn't notice any difference on my skin. So that's why I don't know much about this product. But if you want to try this face mask, then you can definitely go and check out this on Nykaa. And the price of this product is 7.99 rupees. So now it is time for some face moisturizers. And here is my first moisturizer from Biotique. This is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. This is suitable for all skin types, and I am showing you the moisturizer. Here I am taking a bit of this product, a little bit of product on my hand, and here I am blending. And here I am applying this moisturizer on my hand. You can see that here is a sheer glow on my hand right after applying the moisturizer. So basically it has very watery consistency. It easily absorbs into my skin and it helps to hydrate my skin, as well as it nourishes my skin, and it also helps to reduce dark spots and pigmentation from my skin. So the price of this product is 199 rupees of this moisturizer, and I purchased this one from Purple. So big thumbs up for this moisturizer. And now here is my another favorite moisturizer. This one is from Pond's. This is Pond's Light Moisturizer. It has vitamin E and glycerin. So here is the product. I am showing you again. So here I have a bit of product on my hand, and again I am applying it thoroughly just to show you. You can see that it absorbs very quickly. It is a non-oily, non-greasy texture, so that's why it absorbs very quickly into your skin, and also it gives your skin a very soft glow. So this one is best for summertime. So the price of this product is also very affordable, only 110 rupees. And here is the last moisturizer from Good Vibes. Basically this one is a gel. This is Good Vibes Tea Tree Gel. I am showing you. Here is the product. Again I am taking a bit of the product and I am applying it on my hand. Show you guys. This gel helps to moisturize my skin, and it also helps to nourish my skin. It helps to absorb excess oil from my skin, and this gel hydrates my skin. I love using this gel, and I'm using this for a few days. Price of this product is only 175 rupees, and as I have told you guys that all the Good Vibes products are easily available on Purple. Go and check out your favorite product from Good Vibes. So friends, I hope that my reviews will help you a lot, and if you have any queries regarding those skincare products, then you can definitely DM me on Instagram, because I am active on Instagram. The link of my Instagram profile will be given in the description box below. Make sure that you check out the description box to get the links of my profiles. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification from my channel. And yeah, that's all for today. Love you all. Bye bye.